Bakit compatibility more than effort?
Hindi kasi nga sa akin parang given naman yung effort one way or another. Mag-effort ka na marami kang iintindihin, marami kang tatanggapin. Parang ganon. Kaya sa akin like, ngayon dahil may chance na tinanong ako, pinili ko yung compatibility kasi ano ba yun nasa isip ko kanina? It's more of yung compatibility, hindi siya ibig sabihin perfect kayo. Hindi ko rin definition ng compatibility yung likeness. But more of like complementary nga. Pwede namang magkaiba pero you complement each other. Oo. So yung sinasabi kong compatibility, like in contrast with effort, there are instances kasi na even if the other person or the other party would put so much effort in things, if hindi naman yun yung way na gustong ma-receive nung tao yun or hindi naman sa ganun. Or parang you're giving so much effort yet hindi siya naaakma dun sa kung paano ma-receive. Kunwari, nag-effort ka, binigyan mo siya ng
Flowers pero gusto niya cash.
like, ito naman, yun naman, very halimbawa, nag-travel all the way malayo si partner mo, but during that time, you really wanted some space for yourself. 'Di ba? So, parang wasted effort siya. Kasi, the other, hindi compatible. Like, gusto niya makasama ka, pero ngayon gusto niya lang muna huminga. Yun naman yung context ko doon, ng compatibility. Kasi lagi like, instant naman and I think, natural siyang part yung ng relationship, yung effort. But, yun, yung magpapatagal din is yung compatibility. Kasi pag ipipilit mo na parang these are the things na gusto mo o lahat yan effort, pero hindi niya masyadong ma-appreciate if ibang bagay yung gusto niyang gawin.